Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix study abroad safety with International SOS detailed guide step by step clearly. When planning to study abroad, ensuring your safety should be a top priority. Begin by researching the destination country. Understand the local laws and customs. Familiarize yourself with the political situation and stability. Register with your country's embassy or consulate upon arrival. Consider purchasing a comprehensive insurance plan, such as International SOS. Explore the benefits of International SOS membership. This includes 24/7 access to medical and emergency assistance. Know how to contact International SOS in case of an emergency. Take note of local emergency numbers and health services. Create a safety plan for various situations. This should include routes to your accommodations and safe zones. Share your itinerary with family and friends back home. Stay informed about local events that may pose risks. Keep your belongings secure and avoid displaying valuables in public. Learn a few key phrases in the local language, especially for emergencies. Make copies of important documents, like your passport and insurance information. Store these copies separately from the originals. Establish a check-in routine with friends or family. This can provide peace of mind and ensure someone is always aware of your whereabouts. Be aware of cultural norms, especially regarding personal space and interactions. Follow local advice when it comes to travel or leisure activities. Stay connected with fellow international students for support and advice. Keep your mobile phone charged and consider a portable charger for emergencies. Use reliable transportation options and verify their safety. Stay vigilant and trust your instincts in unfamiliar situations. If you ever feel uncomfortable, seek help immediately. Lastly, remember that being prepared can significantly enhance your safety while studying abroad. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.